I've been wanting to make this toolbox cookie set for years and I finally made it. And I've made it to honor my dad's memory in honor of Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers and father figures representing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video is showing you how I made this awesome toolbox cookie set. Many years ago, when I decided I wanted to decorate cookies, I came across this toolbox cookie set made by Sweet Arms, and I was convinced that I could make it and that I would make it and that I would give it to my dad for Father's Day. So I went ahead and I ordered the tool cookie cutters. And y'all, they sat untouched for years. Oh my gosh. I believe the one time that I pulled out the tool cookie cutters to use, I think I used like one or two, maybe three of them. It was for a balloon gift, which I thought was for Father's Day, but apparently it was for a birthday. And then those cookie cutters went back into storage. Every year, I'd be thinking of making the cookies, but never actually make them. I saved the video, I bought the cutters. I probably watched the video a couple times over the years to, trying to convince myself I will do it. But I never actually made them. And here I am 4 years post my dad's death, just making the toolbox cookies finally. Funny thing is, when I was trying to find the original video to get a timeline of how long I was trying to do the cookie box, I couldn't find the original video. I found one that was like reposted 4 years ago, and I know that wasn't it. And so I went again searching on Pinterest and I saw it and I clicked on it and I saw that the video was available only to her subscription members. And when I saw that the video was posted in June 2015, I say, that makes more sense. So I think I would have watched it around 2017, 2018. So that means a whole 8 years. I've been waiting to make these cookies to give physically to my dad. And now I will never get a chance to do so, but I'm glad I actually get to do the project nonetheless in his honor, in his memory. Back in 2017, 2018, I was fairly new to cookie decorating, so I had a great desire to do it, but I don't think I believed in myself enough to do it. And if I'm honest, this was still a last minute decision. I thought about it for weeks and then I decided last minute to make it. And with about 10 years of decorating cookies, it didn't take long. It's just the editing, the video that took long. And luckily I have a dehydrator, so that kind of sped up the drying process. So maybe you're wondering why a toolbox for my dad? Because my dad literally traveled with his toolbox. It was in his car. And I mean, I know he used it for work, but when he retired, he still used it for other work. And it's that knowing that your dad could fix up some things in the house. I shouldn't even say some. He fixed a lot of things in the house, majority of things really. But he also knew when there were things that were out of his jurisdiction, and he would go and ask for help. So here's to the memory of my dad, and if you needed a sign, take it as one. Go on ahead and do the thing you've been wanting to do for your loved one. Tomorrow's not promised, and I might not get another chance to make these ToolBox cookies, so I am doing it now, finally. I do miss my dad, but I am also very much grateful for the memories that I do have to hold on to. This year, July, would make 4 years since he has transitioned. So here's to the memory of my dad. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please watch till the end. So my toolbox is not perfect, but I think I did a great job nonetheless. I think I shaved down my sides a little too much. It became a bit uneven, so when I was putting the box together, as you would see at the end, a little piece was a little higher than the others, but that's okay. I thought it gave it some character. I knew it wasn't going to be exactly like Sweet Am's own. I didn't really plan it out. I just kind of just did it. And I followed some guidelines to get it as close as possible. But it was fun. It was fun to do. This video might not get a lot of views, but if you loved it, please leave a like, leave a comment, share it. Of course, there's always room for me to repost it next year. But thanks for watching and listening, and don't forget to subscribe and share